Let's explore all the options in TensorArt and how we can use its features easily, okay? First, on the left sidebar, we have Home Models, which I'll show you, including LoRa models, apps, posts, workflows, top rankings, and channels for generating images or videos. Some models even create videos, like version 1. 2.1, you can click on any of these to see what each section offers. First, let's look at the Models section, where you'll find all the models, including those with LoRa. So what does this mean? For those unfamiliar, LoRa is essentially a model trained on specific images. This allows it to generate images in a particular style or manner. As you can see, I've trained them with these. Okay, so you can use this LoRa to generate your images, alright? Everything's pre-trained within the app itself. If you want to make your own LoRa, check out Flux Jim's video. Next is the Apps section, showing AI's uses in specific cases. As you can see, the latest releases are shown first, okay? And then the Apps section with tools like Anime, and quick tools too. Here we have guide drafts, background removal, image enlarging, and more. Next is the Publications section, showing all the posts and updates they've made. Then there's the Workflow section, with different job workflows and nodes. This lets you generate images more specifically just as you want. After that, you'll find rankings of the top creators. These are more app features like the anime and portrait sections I mentioned. TensorArt also has a search bar to find exactly what you want to do. There's also a create section with options like classic flow mode and real-time generation. This part is up to you to explore. Lastly, you can upgrade to Pro, join their Discord, and a bit more. These are all the features this program offers. As you can see, it's comprehensive for easily creating AI images with TensorArt AI. Let's see how to change image backgrounds with TensorArt. We'll go to Applications, then to the Perfect Background section. We'll enter this, and as you can see, it shows us a bit of what we can do with this model, okay? First thing we'll do to start is choose the image we want to edit. In my case, it'll be this car. Then we'll input the prompt for what we want in the image background. So it'll keep the car, right? And we'll tell it what we want in the background. I've set it to be on a racetrack. Next, we'll specify the photo's subject. What stays from the original? Here, it's the car, so the AI knows what's key and how to generate around it. Finally, you can adjust the measurements slightly. I won't change them, but we'll hit go to automatically change the background. As you can see, it has already produced the final result. This is the final result using the image we provided. Let's take a closer look. If we apply an upscaler from this app, which I've shown in another video, it'll look incredible. For those unfamiliar, upscalers basically improve image quality. Using it here would reduce pixelation, making the image look much better and truly amazing. Imagine the possibilities. Turn a bottle photo into a studio quality image like the example below. We can do so much with this background change, creating studio-like images with just one click. Now you know how to do this easily.